5 unusual uses for rice. Natural air freshener. Place scented sachets or essential oils on uncooked rice in a decorative jar. The rice will absorb the scent and release it gradually. Tool preservation. Store hand tools in uncooked rice to prevent rust. Weighting. Use uncooked rice to weigh down objects or create counterweights. Oil temperature test. Drop a grain of rice into hot oil. If it sizzles and pops, the oil is hot enough for frying. How is rice turned into Rice Krispies? Mix 2 tablespoons of salt with rice. Stir until it starts to pop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.